This video will show you how to control the look and feel of all of your slides by editing a template in PowerPoint on a computer. Open your PowerPoint template. Click the View tab. Click Slide Master. Edit the template. The slides on the left are your master slides or blueprints for all similar slides. Changing one thing on a slide will change it throughout the slideshow. In Slide Master View, you will see a menu of formatting options, like adding or removing the slide title and footers, changing the background styles, hiding or showing the background graphics, and changing the theme. Using the Themes drop-down, you can apply a pre-made consistent color scheme and font. Since not all themes will work with your customized template, you can use the colors and font styles as inspiration. If you change the font on a text-based slide, the entire group's font will change. You can add elements such as an image placeholder throughout your slideshow. Use Insert Placeholder from the Slide Master menu to add an image or a text box that will appear in the same spot, with the same dimensions, throughout the slideshow. Use the Colors and Fonts drop-downs to further customize your template. Click Close Master. Save your template. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.